Hello guys, in this video we are going to analyze and we are going to discuss about the PLTR share and what will be the important level targets, important support resistance in the PLTR share for our next trading session. We are going to discuss about in this video. So firstly we discuss about the trend of the share on an one day time frame chart, and here we see this stock continue its uptrend by continue making a higher high higher low formation on a one day time frame chart. If we see its linear regress trend, then we see this stock continue its uptrend and continue go upside by continue following this regression channel. Here this stock continue its uptrend by making a higher high higher low formation on an one day time frame chart. Here in recently we see some negative closings and some downfall in the stock after a big gap up opening. Here stock gap up opening, we see a clear upside move, and then a stock go downside. Stock fill this gap, and now after filling this gap we see some recovery in the stock again. But from 2 to 3 trading sessions we see some negative closings again in the stock. In today's trading session we see a 4.71% a negative closing in the stock, but still on a downside we have a strong support zone in the stock in the zone between 75 to 80. So here we also have a strong support zone now. So now if stock makes some bullish candlestick pattern here, then we can see bullish recovery and a bullish reversal in the stock. So the possible pathway in the for the stock in upcoming some trading sessions, stock can go downside here, take resistance on the take support here on the level of 77, and from this level we can see we can again see a positive recovery and a strong reversal in the stock. And if stock reverse from here, then we have our first target of around 98.67, and if stock break this level, then we have our next target of 124. So now analyze this stock on an 15-minute time frame chart for our next trading session. Then we see after a long downfall, now here this stock try to recover itself around the support zone, and here we also have this support zone on a downside, but on an upside on a 15-minute time frame we also have this resistance zone. So we also have to consider this resistance zone in our focus as our target. On an upside we have two resistance zones as our targets. We have to consider this in focus. So the view for our next trading session is bullish. Here we have a possible pathway. Stock can go downside here till the level of 84, and from this level we can see a clear upside move in the stock till the level of 92. And if stock breaks this level, then we can see our next targets of around 97 level. So now for a more detail we see this stock on a 5-minute time frame chart also, and here we see recently this stock continues downtrend by making a lower low lower high formation on a 5-minute time frame chart. But here we see this stock consolidate in this range. So now if stock breaks this range, then from this range we can see a clear upside move in the stock. So here we see we have our first resistance of 86, and once if stock break this resistance level, then from this level we can see a clear upside move in the stock. And if stock break this level, then we expect our first target till the levels of 92. And if stock break this level, then we can expect our next target till the levels of 95 to 996. So here we have some important analysis, made only for educational purpose. Thank you.